Ashley here with The Spinderella, and I want to showcase Infinity Hair today. I'm sure most people know someone that is lacking a little bit of hair somewhere. My husband might be lacking just a little bit back here. So we have this microfiber technology where we're gonna pump this fiber onto his head in that little bitty area where he's missing hair. And then we're going to put this on, which is locking spray. It's going to lock the fiber in. That way it doesn't look like he's missing any hair in that little bitty area. So let's try it out. So this is Kevin's little bald spot, and we are going to do the Infinity Hair to it. So I'm going to use the pump. All right, you ready? Can you see it, Jen? Mm-hmm. All right, now I'm going to use the Formulated to create a stronger bond between Infinity Hair fibers and thinning hair. This is the fiber locking spray. So my husband described this as hairspray. That's it. Boom, it's done. So it's like literally 2 steps and boom, you have like good looking hair, a full set of hair. See that? Ooh. Okay. And that's it. Voila! Now he has a full set of hair.